Hey there, Luke Kalinsky from SNowIT speaking. I'm thrilled to welcome you back to our channel. Today we are diving into some game-changing solutions that are designed to elevate your ServiceNow experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you are in for a treat. But before we jump into the details, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you will never miss out on the latest insights and innovative solutions we share here at SNowIT. Now, let's get down to business.
For our exercise, I have created this scripted REST service. As you can see, it contains just two methods. One is get with API key, so it will be using API key as an authentication. And second one is post without API key, and it will use the basic authentication. As you can see, this get will return API key enabled payload. It doesn't have any other setup inside, and post will return API key enabled false. So first step is to create our authentication profile. We have to type authentication profile and then go into this inbound authentication profile, and we have to create a new entry. So in our case, it will be create API key authentication profiles, and then at the end we'll have entry as this. The important thing is this out parameter. So this specify how we would like to send out this authorization key, right? So in our case, we'll be using header. Also, you can use query parameter. Next step is to create API access policy. So we have to navigate to this REST API access policies and create a new entry. Our entry looks like this. So we are specifying here information what scripted REST will be using, right? Also, we can specify the HTTP method and resource. It depends on the selection from the right side, so we can apply it to all the methods, all resources, all the versions. Also, we have to apply here the authentication profile, so the profile that we have created in the previous step. Last step is to create our REST API key, so we have to navigate to it, and then we can create a new entry. So when we will be creating a new entry, we have to specify to which user this will apply. So as you can see, we'll be using system administrator, and here you got your token, so you can unlock it, and then you can grab this token, which will be used later in the header. So now we can check our setup. So for this get method, as you remember, we are using API key. So we have it in here. Once we try to utilize it, we get the expected response, right? If we use the basic authentication, we can send it, and then we are not authorized. As you remember, this post method was not using API key. So let's check if we are able to authorize ourselves within the key. So as you can see, we are not authorized. And when we try to use the basic authentication, we are unable to get the response.
I appreciate you spending your time with us today. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe and explore our website at snowit.co. Your support keeps us going. Exciting things are on the horizon, so stay tuned. See you in the next video.